Hello there, students. I'm your online math tutor, Ma'am Karin Villeza. If you want to be updated with my new videos discussing topics in mathematics, just like and follow my Facebook page, Basics in Math Tutorial. And please do not forget to subscribe to my YouTube channel, Ma'am Karin Villeza. Thank you. In this video, you'll be able to learn on how to find and simplify composite functions. What is composition of functions? It is a process of obtaining a composite function. Let's have this definition. Let f and g be functions. The composite function denoted by, this can be read as f of g is defined by f of g of x that is equal to this symbol. Again, this can be read as f of g of x. When we say composite function, it is created when one function is substituted into another function. The process of obtaining a composite function is what we call function composition or composition of functions. Let's apply this definition to answer example number 1. In example number 1, there are two functions. We have here f of x equals to x minus 6 and g of x equals negative x plus 1. In here, we're going to find and simplify the following. In letter A, we have the composite function f of g of x, and from the definition, that is equal to this symbol. Again, this can be read as f of g of x. So here, this is a composite function. So again, when we say composite function, it is created when one function is substituted into another function. So kung matatandaan ninyo yung video ko about evaluating functions, ganin din yung process. But in here, yung mga values na ng x given the function ay papalitan mo na ng value ng isang function. Here, we have the functions f of x and g of x. Kung mapapansin niyo, yung nasa loob ng parenthesis ay ang function na g of x. Ibig sabihin, you're going to replace all the x variables in the function f of x with the value of g of x, which is negative x plus 1. So that will become f of g of x that is equal to f of negative x plus 1, which is the value of g of x. So now, we're going to use the function f of x and lahat ng x ay papalitan natin ng value ng g of x. So that will be, since na ang function f ay 2x minus 6, yung x aalisin mo na at papalitan mo ng negative x plus 1. So ang equation na ay magiging f of g of x that is equal to 2 times the quantity negative x plus 1, which is the value of g of x, minus 6. So from here, you're going to simplify. That would be 2 times negative x, negative 2x, 2 times positive 1, that is positive 2, and then copy minus 6. Final answer, we have negative 2x, and then 2 minus 6, that is negative 4. So this is your final answer for example 1, letter A. For letter B, same functions given, and you're going to find and simplify the composite function g of f of x. So we're going to apply the definition. So from that is also equal to g of f of x. Yung nasa loob ng parenthesis ay ang function f of x. Ibig sabihin, papalitan mo lahat ng x sa value ng g of x nung value ng f of x, which is 2x minus 6. Again, you're going to replace all the x variables in the function g of x with the value of the function 2x minus 6 or the function f of x. So that is g of 2x minus 6. Etong nasa loob ng parenthesis ay yung value ng f of x. So ngayon, magiging na siyang From the given function g of x, which is negative x plus 1, naalisin mo yung x at papalitan mo ng function f of x, which is 2x minus 6. So that is negative times the quantity 2x minus 6 plus 1. Let's simplify. So that is negative times 2x is negative 2x. Negative times negative 6, that is positive 6. And then copy plus 1. Final answer, we have negative 2x. And then 6 plus 1 is 7. For example 1, letter C, we have the given functions f of x and g of x, same values. And we're going to find and simplify the following. The composite function given is f of x. Kung mapapansin ninyo, yung function na given na dito sa letter C ay f of x. Parehong f of x. So from the definition, that is equal to this symbol. Kung mapapansin ninyo, yung nasa loob ng parenthesis ay ang function na f of x. And this time, hindi masyadong nakakalito yung given na composite function kasi parehas lang naman yung function na nilagay sa letter C. So that is, the value of f of x is 2x minus 6. So that is f of 2x minus 6. So given the function itself, 2x minus 6, aalisin mo yung lahat ng variable x at papalitan mo ng 2x minus 6. So that is 2 times the value of x, which is 2x minus 6 minus 6. Let's simplify. So 2 times 2x is 4x, 2 times negative 6 is negative 12, and then copy minus 6. Final answer, we have 4x, negative 12 minus 6, that is negative 18. That is your final answer. And for example 1, letter D, we are going to find and simplify the following. The given in letter D is, we have g of x. From the definition, that is equal to this symbol, we have g of x. Ang nasa loob ng parenthesis ay ang function na g of x. So dito hindi masyadong nakakalito kasi pareho lang naman yung given na function which is g of x. So ito, you're going to get the value of this g of x and that would be g of negative x plus 1. So same process, all you have to do is to replace all the x variables with the given value of g of x, which is negative x plus 1. So that is negative times the quantity negative x plus 1 plus 1. Let's simplify. That is negative times negative x, that is positive x. Negative times positive 1, that is negative 1. And then copy plus 1. Final answer, we have x because negative 1 plus 1 is 0. Now, it's your turn. Find and simplify, given the composite functions f of g, g of f of f, and then g of g. We have these given functions. For letter A, we have f of x and g of x. So for letter A, you have to get the composite function, f of g of f of f, and g of f. Same with letter B. We have f of x equals 5x and g of x equals x squared plus 3x minus 9. You're going to find and simplify the composite function, f of g of f of f, and g of g. Same with letter C. In example number 2, given the functions d of x equals 2x plus 1, q of x equals x squared minus 2x plus 2, m of x equals the square root of the quantity x plus 1, and we have here the function r of x equals 2x plus 1 all over x minus 1. We're going to find and simplify the composite function m of d of x. From the definition, it says there that the given is equal to this symbol. When we say composite function, it is created when one function is substituted into another function. So from here, we can apply the process of evaluating functions. Pero ang i-replace na natin na value ay value ng isang function. So here, in letter A, ang nasa loob ng parenthesis ay ang function na d of x. Ibig sabihin, siya yung magiging value ng x doon sa function ng m of x. So that is m of 2x plus 1, which is the value of d of x. So now, from here, gagamitin natin yung function na m of x at yung mga x doon sa m of x ay aalisin natin at papalitan natin ng value ng d of x, which is 2x plus 1. So that is the square root of the quantity 2x plus 1 plus 1. So from here, let's simplify. The square root of the quantity 2x, 1 plus 1 is 2. This is the final answer for example number 2, letter A. In letter B, given the same functions, we're going to find and simplify the composite function r of q of x. From the definition, that is equal to this symbol. Inside the parenthesis, we have the function q of x at ang value ng q of x is x squared minus 2x plus 2. Ibig sabihin, from here, since na yung r ang nasa labas ng parenthesis, siya yung gagamitin na function. Lahat ng values ng x dito sa r of x ay aalisin mo at papalitan mo ng value ng q of x. So that is r of x squared minus 2x plus 2. Ito yung value ng q of x. So gagamitin natin yung function na r of x. That is 2 times the quantity, which is the value of your x, x squared minus 2x plus 2 plus 1 all over the quantity x squared minus 2x plus 2 minus 1. So from here, we're going to simplify. So that is 2 times x squared, that is 2x squared. 2 times negative 2x, that is negative 4x. 2 times 2 is 4, and then copy positive 1. All over, just remove the parenthesis of the quantity, then copy minus 1. So our final answer, we have 2x squared minus 4x, and then 4 plus 1 is positive 5. All over, we have x squared minus 2x. 2 minus 1 is positive 1. That's the final answer for example number 2, letter B. For example number 2, letter C, same functions given, and we're going to find and simplify the composite function, which is q of d of x. From the definition, that is equal to q of d of x. Ang nasa loob ng parenthesis ay ang function na d of x. Ibig sabihin, ito yung magiging value ng lahat ng x doon sa function na q of x. That is q of 2x plus 1, which is the value of dx. So, gagamitin natin yung function na q of x at yung lahat ng x dito ay aalisin natin, papalitan natin ng 2x plus 1. So, that is the quantity 2x plus 1 squared minus 2 times the quantity 2x plus 1 plus 2. So, from here, the first term can be simplified, or ito can be simplified by having this quantity or this term that is also equal to 2x plus 1 times the quantity 2x plus 1. So you can use here the FOIL method, or meaning noon ay you're going to multiply the first term to the first term of the second quantity. So 2x times 2x, that is 4x squared. 2x times 1, that is positive 2x. 1 times 2x, that is 2x. And then 1 times 1 is 1. So ngayon, ang magiging equation na natin ay q of d of x, that is equal to 4x squared plus 4x plus 1 minus 4x minus 2 plus 2. So, you're going to rearrange the terms para mas madali. Rearrange the terms according to their degrees and simplify or add like terms. So that is 4x squared And 4x and 4x, may dalawang 4x, so ipagtatabi mo, but again, do not forget the sign. And then the constants are negative 2 plus 2, and then plus 1. So final answer, we have 4x squared. 4x minus 4x is 0. Negative 2 plus 2 is 0. And ang natira na lang is positive 1. Final answer, we have here q of d of x, that is equal to 4x squared plus 1. Now, it's your turn. There are 5 given functions, f of x, h of x, s of x, g of x, and k of x. You're going to find and simplify the following composite functions. There are 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. And that's it for the composition of functions. If you do have questions, just comment it down. And if you like this video, just give me a thumbs up. And please follow my Facebook page, Basics in Math Tutorial. And please do not forget to subscribe to my YouTube channel, Ma'am Karine Bilyeza. Please share this one to your family, friends, and classmates. Again, I'm Ma'am Karine, your online math tutor. Bye!